The playground. The lake. Let's put the two together to see how they fit. Ah, yes, the chirping of the birds, the lapping of the water on the shore, the whistle of the breeze, and the purr of the engines, the sounds of the lake. Try another one. Close your eyes and listen to this one. Are your eyes closed? Okay, listen. Which of these places do you think fits those sounds? The playground? Let's put the two together to see how they fit. Yes, the sounds of children's laughter, the squeak of the swings, the squeal of the coach's whistle, the sounds of fun on the playground. Nice work! You already know a lot about sounds. There were a lot of things making sounds in those scenes. They were all moving to make sound.